Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Clifford Paint Flamingo Power Wash. Back with a new video for you guys. Today I'm out working in Tampa, Florida. I'm actually in North Tampa, which is like Lutz area. I'm here for a house wash. Gonna be doing gutter clean out. Well, actually the customer actually cleaned up the gutters already, so all I gotta do is rinse them for them and rinse the downspouts. I'm also gonna be doing like a deck over here on this lake. Pretty nice property. I cleaned this before probably a year or so ago, so I'm back to do a maintenance cleanup. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. So like you said, he's already blown out all the stuff that was on the roof, out the gutters. It's a lot of stuff that was up there. You know, he got all the moss sitting on top of the house, so he gets them a lot. So I'll be cleaning the deck for him. Of course, we're on the water, so we're not gonna be using no SH out here. We're gonna be using straight water. Pretty nice property over there, cleaning up right there. Nice property out here. We're gonna ahead and start this pressure washer up, warm it up. I'm running the 8 GPM Honda's GX690, and I already got my hose on top. I'm just gonna use the ball valve, you know what I'm saying, to rinse the gutters out. Now, let's get it. Alright guys, we all done. Got all the downspouts flushed, all the gutters flushed out. Nice and clean. Beautiful day out here in Florida today, man. Yes sir, clean gutters. Alright, we're gonna jump downstairs, start on the house wash and the deck. Alright guys, so we're gonna start on the house wash. I'll be using a 2% mix on this house here. So you got a lot of cobwebs on here. Got some dirt on the gutters, some algae on the gutters. I'm also gonna use it on the deck, on this part, but not over there. If it's over the water, I'm not gonna use the SH. I'm gonna just spray it on here on the deck. I'm gonna start from this corner here, work my way to the front, and then I get this side here when I come back around. Alright, so now we're gonna rinse the side that we soaped up. Should be ready to go. Do a little test. It's coming off good right here. We're gonna be doing the last two sides of the house now. Same process. Not in a huge rush. So we're gonna do two sides at a time. Also guys, when you're doing these houses, you see this little lip right here? Make sure you get behind it. If you're washing it straight on, you might not know what's behind, so always take a peek. See all this stuff here? If you don't come on this side, you won't see none of that. Alright guys, we got the house wash done. Everything's looking clean. We're gonna jump on this deck now. Get that done. What's up, boy? Hey, buddy. He loves those chickens. Alright, let's get this deck cleaned up. all done with the project here. Got the deck cleaned up. I used the yellow tip. It stayed about a foot away from the surface. Everything came off nicely. It's a composite deck, so you can do that with a yellow tip or a white tip. But if it's like regular wood, I wouldn't do that. And this is the deck here. Cleaned up. Got the house washed. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Looking good, man. All right, we're gonna pack it up, head to the next job, small job. Just a partial house wash. And I think I'm done for the day, man. Let's go get that money. All right, guys, second job for the day. Right now we're in Wesley Chapel, Florida. We're here for a partial house wash. I'm just doing the front of the house, man. They don't want the sidewalks, none of this, you know, walkway, driveway, none of that done. So this place here, man, look at that wall. Anyway, so I'm just gonna be doing the front of the house. As you can tell, there's a lot of algae right there. There's some algae up in the eaves and the fascia. The soffits are pretty dirty up there. The windows also got some algae on it. Up there, some algae right there. So stucco house. So we're gonna hit this with a 4% mix, and all that will be melting off. Pretty dirty up there. This probably gonna take me like 15 minutes or less. I'm gonna water these plants down though, because I'm going 4%. I don't want to burn these, so it needs to be getting wet first. Well, everything nice before we start. Start applying our mix from the bottom, and then we're gonna go up, bottom to up. Right now I'm using the 25-40 tip on my J-rod. Now we're gonna hit that second story with that 0040. Windy out here, but still getting up there. Top. Yes, sir. Get up there. Get up there. All right, let's get this baby rinsed up. outside, the project is complete. Got it all nice and clean. Check out the side here. Drip edge nice and clean up here. That spot is gone. Soffits are cleaned up. Alright guys, I appreciate y'all checking the video out. I appreciate y'all subscribing to the channel and liking and subscribe and commenting all the time, you know what I'm saying? Showing the support. I appreciate it. Until next time, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.